Good morning, children. Can you see this image? Tell me what it is. Yes, this is our tongue. In the previous videos, we have discussed some of the points on tongue. So, in the previous video, we have discussed about first two layers. It is sweet and salty. Today, we will discuss the next two layers. Okay? So, children, these are the four tastes in our tongue. What are the tastes? First is sweet, second is salty, third is sour, and the fourth one is bitter. So today we will discuss on taste of third and fourth. Now tell me, children, what is the third taste? Yes, you are right. The third taste is sour. Now let's see the examples of sour taste. First is lemon, oranges. What is this? Tamarind. The sour grapes. Sour candies. The sweet lemon or Mosambi, the pomelo or Batabi lebu, the sour green mangoes, vinegar. What is this? Cranberry. Now we will learn about the examples on bitter taste. First example is the bitter coffee beans, bitter gourd, the bitter dark chocolate. The neem leaves are also bitter. The bitter medicines. Now children, we will learn the features of tongue. The first feature is we have only one tongue. Second feature is our tongue is also an organ. Next is in our tongue it has thousands of taste buds. Next feature is we eat, talk, chew food, swallow food with the help of our tongue. And the last feature is our tongue has 4 layers of taste. What are they? First is sweet, second is salty, third is sour, and fourth is bitter.